Hi guys, welcome to Iris's Story Time. Today I will be telling the story of Pete the Cat rocking in my school shoes. Story by Eric Litwin. Art by James Dean. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, share, and click the like button. Now let's begin. Here comes Pete strolling the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete. Down that hall into a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? In the lunchroom. It can be very loud and very busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground! Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow, because it's all good." Cat City School Bus. Thanks for watching and listening. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and click the like button. Peace.